Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. And what I'm showing you, first of all, with the touch of a button you can walk up. You can operate the power doors on this Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. And of course this, like most of our vans, is a mobility wheelchair accessible van. So what they've done on these adaptive mobility conversions, they did not tie the ramp into the door. This allows you to keep the warranty on the door for the factory warranty. It also allows you to open up the door without the ramp coming down if you so choose. So if you're parked next to a car in a parking lot, you don't want that ramp coming out and slapping into them, you've got that option. Then you've got the controller here. Just hold the down button, very easy to do. Makes life a lot more simple. Down the road, say 10 years from now, if there's ever anything wrong with the ramp, it's separate from the door. It's much easier to fix, much more affordable. It's actually a really good conversion. These conversions are made for the average person. They're not the high dollar, big time conversion companies. They're just trying to get rich on the service. They've kept them simple. They've kept them very economical for down the road. The ramp is 30 inches wide. As you come into the van, you can see it's got the carbon fiber floor down there. Very easy to clean if you get any liquid or down there. We give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Those snap into those tracks there. Back seats look like brand new. This whole van looks pretty much brand new. It's got a removable passenger seat, so you could actually remove the seat, put a wheelchair up there. You could put a second wheelchair back here if you wanted to, or you could have the two seats up there, wheelchair back here, and then these three. So you could hold 5 plus a wheelchair, or 4 people plus 2 wheelchairs. Headliner's in great shape. It's got the rear air. Like I said, this van is pretty much in brand new condition. I don't think I can find a scratch or nick or any kind of damage. It's got the steering wheel controls, helps you keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, another great safety feature. Dual climate control. The driver can be one temperature, the passenger can be a second temperature. And it's even got rear air control, so the passengers in the rear can be a third temperature. It's got the 2 cup holders there. It's got a couple cup holders on each side. This van's got a lot of cup holders in it. So you can also operate the doors using these controls here. So once everybody's secure, come back out, and we've got 2 keys and 2 fobs. So you can actually hold this, put the ramp back up. Very easy to do. Can all be done with touch of a button. And then we can go over to our controller for the Dodge and shut all these doors. So as the van closes down, I'll start a walk around. It's got the tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime and give you privacy year round. It's got the roof rack on top. It's got the alloy wheels. This is the SXT. These tires, this van has 1,982 miles on it currently. Everything on this van has under 2,000 miles on it. I only buy the finest quality vans. I don't buy anything that's been in an accident. I don't buy anything that's been underwater, nothing salvaged. This van is immaculate condition. Another great feature that it has, hit the button twice on the remote there, and you can see it fires right up. The auto start's a really good feature to have here in the winter time when it's cold. Get it all defrosted, get it heated up, ready to go. SXT package there. Even in the summertime, it's a nice feature to have. Get your vehicle nice and cool before you get out there. Beautiful condition. This is the leather exterior with the cloth in the middle. So it's got the leather trim inside. It's got the, you'll see in the pictures, we've got the owner's manual for the conversion. We've got the user's guide for the van. It's all in this packet here. You can see the miles, as I mentioned, 1,982 currently. When I go to turn the vehicle on, all the dummy lights work. Of course, they all go out. So no check engine lights on, nothing like that. It's got the backup camera, like I mentioned. You can see all the auxiliary port there. Can hook this up with your phone as well. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, everything is very clean. No signs of any damage. It's like a brand new van. Underneath, much of the same. And folks, I don't care who you're buying from or where you're buying from. Have them get down and show you underneath. Some pulled this vehicle out of a swamp, been in a flood or something like that. This could be all rusted out underneath here. That's why I show it to you. If someone's going to try to sell you high dollar van and they won't get out and take 30 minutes or an hour of their time making a video for you, then who you buying from and what are they selling you? Buyer beware. Things aren't always as good as they appear, and that's why we make these videos. We've been in business over 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and I hope you can see by our videos we're doing our best to represent our vehicles honest and fair as we possibly can. We have nothing to hide, and that's why we have such good reviews and such good ratings. The van comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Dodge. 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on the conversion. The conversion is brand new. And a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. So that's the warranty information. As I do this, I'm showing you we've tested all the mirrors, we've pushed every button, everything on this van works. The power driver seat. We put this plastic on here. We're keeping this clean in case one of our dirty mechanics jumps in here to move the van. It doesn't get the van dirty. So hope you see we do our very best to keep these vans in the best condition we possibly can. Let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway. Even though this is nearly a brand new van, I still want to get on the highway so you can hear the engine run and the transmission shift and see that whether you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states or you come in and pick the van up and drive it home, that this van performs exactly as it should. Get it out here, got up to about 70 miles an hour. I'm going to back it off, set the cruise about 60. Cruise control works just fine. Steering wheel is nice and centered. It's not bouncing back and forth. It's nice and sturdy, exactly how it's supposed to be. And folks, I want you to keep in mind when you're comparing us to others to buy mobility vans from, ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? If it's a dealership, ask them. Check them out. If they don't have an A+, you better ask them why. Find out who you're buying from. If it's an individual you're buying from, they don't have a reputation like us. You don't know who you're buying from. If they don't get you a title, they do something screwy, you could have bought a van and never ever see your money back again. If it's a bad van. So we're governed by the state. All dealers are. We have to provide titles with certain rules we have to abide by. Buying from a good dealer is the safest way to go. You need to ask any other dealer, do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? That is not how we do business. I don't put one price and then try to slide in money on the back end on you. No, thank you. Do they get out and make a video for you? Do they crawl into the van? Do they show you exactly how the van works? Do they take it on a test drive? Obviously we do, because you're watching the video. Do they have free shipping? Because we also do that anywhere in the lower 48 states. I'm going to give the van a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual noises. This van runs and drives like a brand new van. So when you compare our reputation, our price, and you ask yourself, well, why is Affordable Mobility selling it for $20,000 less than the guys up the street? The reason is because we're not trying to make $20,000 a van. Unfortunately, this is a pretty dirty business. People slap the word medical on something and they jack the price way up. It's unfortunate. That's why I started this business. I wanted people to be able to buy affordable mobility vans, hence the name. So if you ever want to come look at one of our vans, please always give me a call first. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You get to deal with the owner, not a salesman. Check us out 24 hours a day online, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We have financing available. Again, we have free shipping. When you compare our entire package deal, no one can compete with Affordable Mobility Solutions. So as always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions. Give us a call today. Have a great day.